everyone, Joanna here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 25 of our challenge, 28 days to splits. Let's get started our 5-minute morning stretch. So today we are starting in the half middle splits. Half because we're gonna keep one of the legs bended. We're gonna extend the other one to the side, and from here we're gonna go forward. We're gonna stretch, we're gonna fold forward. Okay, try to keep your toes pointing to the ceiling, so don't let them fall this way. No, try to keep the leg open and keep your toes pointing to the ceiling. I know it's hard, but you have to keep trying and keep doing your best. Just breathe and stay here. Breathe and stay here. And now let's switch sides. Open the other leg. Keep your toes up and fold forward. Here's your daily affirmation. I am successful. I am successful. I am successful. Stay here, we're almost done. Okay, nicely done. And now grab your pillow. We're gonna go for the straddle. So we're gonna place the pillow underneath. If you need to use two pillows, that's fine, but really give it your best. Try with one. And now go for the splits. And again, try to keep your toes up to the ceiling. Breathe, hold here. You can place your arms in front of you for support. Breathe, we've got this. We are almost there. Stay here. You can fold forward a little bit, do some pulses here. Twenty more seconds. And well done. Holy moly, I can't close my legs. Okay, that was great. Day 25 in the books. We have just 3 more days. For the next 3 days, we'll really give our best to do that splits. So, of course, don't get frustrated if you can't reach the splits yet. This is a journey. It's a very personal journey. We're starting at different points, so yeah, just be patient with yourself, okay? Love your body, be patient, and don't rush things. And now here's your self-love daily assignment. Spend 10 minutes to watch sunset. Thank you so much for joining me. Go enjoy your day. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 26.